welcome back to another video. Bit of a quick one. Well, I think it might be a quick one. It's just a glitter haul. I've got glitters from AliExpress, glitters from A&A Glitter, and glitters from Amazon. I've also got a bit of friend mail that I might do at the end. If the video's not too long, I've got a bit of friend mail that I might do. Right, so the first ones I'm going to show you are from A&A Glitter. Oh, they've got some beautiful, beautiful glitters at the minute. So, I don't know if any of you remember my last A&A Glitter haul. So, these are the two that I got in my last haul. So, that's mustard. Beautiful, aren't they? Look at that colour. That's going to be so nice for summer and spring. And this one was raspberry. And they're just hex mixes, matte, completely matte. Anyway, there's them two. So, we've got the rest of the collection. So, first, we've got this one, royal blue. Oh my gosh, how nice is that? Such a beautiful colour. I love it. Love it. So, that's royal blue. Then we've got another blue. This one's called sky blue. Oh, I'm absolutely in love with these. They're so nice. So nice. And I love that it's not got the massive hexes in either. These are more like medium-sized ones, aren't they? And then it's got the fine in there. My gosh. Then we've got orange. Look at that. Wow. That's a proper orange, isn't it? It's not quite a neon orange, but it's a bright orange. Definitely a nice orange, that. I love it. And then lastly out of that collection, it's a collection of 6. Look at this one. It's red. A proper red. How nice is that? That is gorgeous. I love it. So I'm so glad I got the rest of them. I love them. Right, and what I also grabbed whilst I was there, I couldn't help myself. You all know I'm obsessed with matte glitters at the minute. I found these matte white Louis Vuitton sequins. I've got these in gold. But as soon as I seen them in matte white, I thought, yeah, I've got to have them. They'll go with anything, won't they? And look how many's in there. So many. I love them. Right, so that's my A&A glitters. Right, these ones are from AliExpress. Yeah, it's a collection of 12. 6 of them have got fine glitter in them, and 6 of them haven't. So, look at this. So, yeah, it's just like, again, it's not got them massive hexes in that I hate. So, these are like medium hexes and small hexes without the fine. Look at the colour. Like a pinky peach. And again, it's matte. And then we've got this one. It's got like pink, orange and blue. Oh, I love these. Right, then we've got this one. Same thing. Mixed hex. Yellow, green, purple. I love that. And again, they're all matte. Look at this one. Pink, dark pink, light pink, white and yellow. Beautiful colours. Love that. I love it. And then we've got this one. Look at that. So that's got like a teal kind of like mint green. A blue, light pink, dark pink. Again, beautiful glitter. I love it. And lastly, out of this 6, we've got this, which is black, purple and white. That's cool, isn't it? I really like that one. I do. I really like that one. Right, and these ones have all got fine glitter mixed in with them. These are over... Oh no, I've missed one. So there's 7 of these ones that haven't got the fine in. Look at that. It's like a bright orange and like a kind of grey, blue, green kind of colour. Like a slate kind of blue in with it. Right, so there's 7 of them ones. Right, these next 5 are all very similar, but different colours. So again, these are same size hex mix, but these have got a fine in with them. It's really hard to see because the fine glitter sticks to the bags. But this has got pink. It's got like that slate blue kind of colour. Gold, shiny gold mixed in with matte. And then it's got the fine. Beautiful, beautiful mixes these. I love them. I keep saying it. I love them, but I do. They're really, really good quality, unique colours. I haven't seen anything like these. So again, this one is like a greeny blue again, and it's got the gold in with it and the fine. I really, really like it. It's really hard to see because of the fine glitter, but yeah, I really like that. Really like that. And then this one, look at the colour of this one. It's got different shades of really light green in there, and then it's got that kind of navy blue as well. All completely matte. These are really, really unique, aren't they? I really like them. And then again, we've got this one. It's like a rusty kind of colour, a blue and a gold, and yeah, I really like that. And that's got fine in with it as well. Really, really unique mixes, aren't they? And lastly, it's really difficult to show you because all the fine sticks to the bag, but look, this has got a hot pink matte, and then it's got like a metallic gold, and it's got like a navy blue in there as well. It's really, I should have tipped them out really to show you, but oh my gosh, I can't wait to use some of these. This is just such a unique mix, it really is. I love it. These were from Amazon. They're just, they're all in little pots. Let me open them quickly. Yeah, I got these off Amazon, and it's 18 little pots of glitter, and they were only £18. So that's like £1 a pot, isn't it? So some of them are just solid colours, like these. So there's them three kind of blues. Let me show you these. There's them three kind of blues. They're very similar, but they are different. It's hard to see how different they are on camera, but they are different shades, and they are just hex mix. I'll just open one to show you. Yeah, they're just hex mixes, plain old hex mixes. So there's them three shades of blue, then there's a gold and a silver. Cool. What other solid colours are there? Oh, there's 4 blues, look. 4 different shades of blue. That's it for solid colours, I think. And then there's these kind of iridescent ones. Yeah, there's a few different iridescent ones. They're almost chameleon-like, aren't they? All different shades iridescent. I like that one. That looks like a mixture of all different colours, doesn't it? And then there's a couple of purples. A bit of a bluey green one. Yeah, they're all the same, just hex mixes. And then these ones are all mixed colours. These are all metallic. I like this one. It's like a gold and a pink. It's really hard to see with my light shining off them, but it's like a gold and a gold, a rose gold and a pink. It's a really pretty mix. That's all multicolours. These two are both pink, but one's got silver mixed with it, one's got gold mixed with it. Really cute. And then there's these two, again, bit of multicolours. That's orange, blue and silver, that's green, red and blue. And then we've got this one, which is purple with gold mixed in with it, I think. Yeah, purple with gold mixed in with it. And I would imagine there's probably maybe 5 gram in them pots, I think, because they're not the tiny pots that you get, are they? They're a bit deeper. So yeah, there's probably 5 gram in each of them. So yeah, I thought that was a bargain. All different colours. We've got metallics and iridescents and mixed colours. I think for someone just starting out, these would be brilliant. There's all different colours in there. Brilliant for beginners, I think. Anyway guys, that's it. That's my Amazon glitters. Then we've got all these AliExpress glitters, which, by the way, I'm absolutely in love with all these. They're absolutely beautiful. I love them all. And then my A&A glitters. How spoilt am I? Oh, look at all this. Ooh, Anyway, guys, that's it for today. A bit of a glitter overload. I'll leave the link for these little glitters in my description box. I'll leave the link to A&A Glitter in my description box. And I'll leave the link for this collection on AliExpress as well, all in my description box. But yeah, that's it for today, guys. If you enjoyed the video, how could you not enjoy it? It's glitter. Please remember to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel with your notifications on so you never miss an upload. Hopefully, I'll see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.